Hi, I'm State Fire Marshal Butch Browning. This week's Marshal message is to replace worry with hope. My friends, there's not a leader that I know that doesn't have a handful or a bucketful of worries. If you're going to take the responsibility of protecting people's lives, protecting people's property, there's a tremendous amount of worry with that. Because as a leader, you're not only worried about the public, but you're worried about your own people's safety. You know, we learn on a weekly basis what firefighters give. When we look at the line of duty deaths in our country today, when we look at the first responders who don't go home to their families, as a leader, that causes you worry to make sure that your people are trained, make sure your people have the best level of safety, and to make sure your people go home. Tremendous amount of worry. Well, how do you do that? Well, I think you got to turn that worry into hope. You've got to strive every day to motivate your people to be on the biggest alert, to be on the biggest watch for the things that can hurt them and harm them. Hence, better safety awareness, better prevention. We have got to find the hope in this world that our fire service will grow to a day that we have 0 fire fatalities, that our fire protection industry will grow to a point that we don't have conflagrations anymore. We have buildings that are constructed in the building environment that they don't collapse. That when there is an emergency in that building, those fires can be compartmentized. Those fires can be suppressed with automatic fire detection, automatic fire suppression, and the work of our fire crews in a much safer environment. That's what I'm talking about when we talk about hope. We've got to hope for the day that we stop putting our first responders in unnecessary harm's way. There'll always be an inherent danger in being a firefighter. But today in our state, there is inherently unnecessary harm that we put on our firefighters. You know, we're learning more and more today about the presumptive cancers that occur from long-term participation in the fire departments. You know, we're seeing brother and sister firefighters who are coming down with critical illnesses because of their exposures. We've got to find the hope to change that. And that's our responsibility. So remember, together we can bring about better service, better safety, and a better quality of life to all in Louisiana if we'll replace our worry with hope.